Hello, how you doing today again? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. Today we're going to go learn how to install LibreOffice 6. As you can see, LibreOffice 5 here is what's launched. So this is what's in the normal repositories, 5.1.6.2. As you can see, it's the Zinio build. Close this out. So if we go to Firefox, sudo apt add repository ppa. So we got to go here, launch terminal. I'm going to keep it always on top. Now, Linux terminal is very syntax sensitive. So if I were to do this, command not found. There's one typo problem here. Add that dash. And now you see the command is working. Enter. Sudo apt update. And so now it's updated. Sudo apt install LibreOffice. Copy. Paste. Yes. So I'm going to let that do its thing. I'm going to pause for a minute. Okay, looks like everything has finished. So now if I go to launch, look at that. Look at that. Go to help, about LibreOffice, 6.0.1.1. And there's my navigator back in there. Close this out. Still launches my document from LibreOffice 5. So, there you go. LibreOffice 6 installed. Thank you.